Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We are warm and humid again this morning. Heat index values are already in the low 90s. We do have a heat advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. today, as we do expect heat index values to get above 100 degrees again as we get closer to the afternoon. Otherwise, skies are mostly sunny at the moment, with just a few clouds out there, but we will have some unsettled weather moving into the area as we get into the late afternoon and evening hours. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have a surface trough kind of draped over the area with that more significant boundary to the north. That will continue to sink into our area as we have this upper level trough digging in across the northern part of the country, and it will help to push that through. It's going to bring us a chance of some scattered showers and storms as we get into the evening hours, and then we'll see some less humid and cooler conditions as we get on the backside of this front with some nice pleasant air pushing into the area. Current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we just have a few clouds at 1,500 feet and a few clouds at 12,000 feet. Winds are out of the west at 7 knots, temperature at 84 degrees, and relative humidity at 75%. Looking at the current visible satellite, we see just a few clouds passing through the area with a lot more cloud cover off to the north-northwest associated with that boundary. We will see that cloud cover slowly start to push into the area as we get into the late afternoon and evening, along with those chances of showers increasing as well. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model to see how things play out as we get into the afternoon hours after the 12 or 13 local or 12 to 1 p.m. time frame. We have pretty good agreement. Models are showing a good chance of seeing a pop-up shower, particularly along the coast, along the sea breeze boundary. This model not as bullish with that, but we do have that chance of seeing some pop-up showers as we get into the afternoon hours. And then as we get further into the late afternoon and beginning of the evening here at 19 or 7 p.m. local time, we had the more scattered showers pushing into our area, and they will continue to push into the area, and then we'll see those becoming more isolated as we get past the midnight time frame, and then we'll keep slight chances of isolated showers in the area. Throughout the morning hours for Thursday and the first part of the day, we should see things start to clear out as we get into the late afternoon Thursday. Again, some indication with that second boundary pushing in, kind of reinforcing that cooler, drier air. Possible shower popping up along that for the first part of the afternoon Thursday. And then things should start to clear out as we go into our Friday. Most of this precip will be staying to our south, most likely. And then as we get into Friday, it should be a nice, pleasant, seasonable day. Much drier, lower dew points, and cooler air. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart today, starting off green this morning with the exception of red for that heat index values above 100. We do expect those values to be reaching near or above 100 by 10 this morning, and those will continue again till about 3 p.m. today. Expecting a high of around 93 as we go throughout the day today. We'll see winds out of the west slowly shift to become out of the south to southeast with that sea breeze, and that will help things cool down a little bit as we get to the latter part of the afternoon. But chances of precip start to go up after 13 local, with a 30% chance of seeing one of those pop-up thunderstorms in the area. And then as we get into the evening, particularly past the 19 local time, we'll see those chances of thunderstorms go up to 60% as those more scattered, widespread showers start to push into the area. We do have the potential of seeing some heavy rain with some of these storms, as well as some stronger wind gusts. The Storm Prediction Center does have us in a marginal area for severe weather, so not expecting anything too severe, but we could see some strong wind gusts and heavy rain with these storms as they push through. And then as we get past the midnight hour, we'll see chances start to diminish down to 30%, and then as we get closer to the start of the day Thursday, we'll be sitting at a slight chance or a 20% chance of seeing a light shower or storm in the area, with a low expected this evening of 75. Tides are still running slightly below normal at the moment, and if we take a look at the next couple days, Thursday, We're going to start off mostly cloudy to overcast, and then we'll see that cloud cover gradually decrease as we go throughout the day and into the afternoon and evening. We'll have that slight chance of isolated shower or thunderstorm in the area, and then those chances will begin to diminish as we get into the later part of the afternoon. Expecting a high of around 86, so much more seasonable for this time of year, and we are yellow for that precip and lightning chance. As we get in Thursday evening, we're expecting things to stay dry, mostly to partly cloudy and seasonable, a low of 70. Much drier air as well, so much more comfortable. And as we get in Friday, a partly cloudy and seasonable day with a high of 84. Pretty pleasant conditions for this time of year, and green across the board for our weather risk. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.